So I just spent most of the day organising my workshop, so I thought I'd give a wee tour of the changes. So over here I got kind of my tools, safety equipment, leather. Over here I got my laser station, a PC. Currently lasering something. I've got kind of general electric power tools, my sanding station. Drawers of paints, bits and bobs, spray paints, resins, silicone down there, some scrap wood. And over here, we've got kind of the more power tools. I've got my Dremel, heat gun. And there, I've got my leather dyes mostly and various chemicals. Plans for world domination, some more leather dye. That's my resin 3D printer and kind of that kind of station, the curing station here for resin. I've got my 3D printer here, and just beers, bits and bobs, and also Gary the mannequin. And then this way, I've got a few different kind of little workbench stations. So here I've got kind of some works in progress. Oh, cool! What is this? A little sign for my the Voodoo Daddy. Some material, bits of paper for scraps, patterns, and then here kind of is where a lot of the magic happens. I've got my bits of tools. Cutting mat and stuff. So I'm currently working on a little pouch for a friend. So that's that.